best place in the world to raise your children.
We're a third-generation family, or a three-generation family. Our kids and grandkids all belong to Ridgewood, and probably will for a long time.
My kids are involved with swim team and with lessons and water ballet. My kids are both fish, and they have loved the swim lessons, and that is 100% because of the guards that teach the lessons.
Being able to have all kids learning to swim is a really important thing for health and safety.
Woo! You guys, strong kickers! Wait, what about the yellow light? Can you slow it down?
I come here with my grandson. So we are always looking for people who will play shark tag and, you know, monkey in the middle, and I'm almost always the monkey.
What I like about it is it has this informal, welcoming style about it.
What about you, Caitlin?
And the community is very kind of welcoming and inviting to everybody that wants to be part of it.
2 freezies. 2 more freezies, please.
Back here?
I can tell you, just walking around this pool, I see lots of things, to me, in construction that are red flags for ultimately you're reaching the life expectancy of your facility.
Badger Pools, who worked with us, realized that these pipes weren't lining up correctly and thus causing a lot of leakage back here. In order to kind of make them work, they put in these expansion type joints, and these are used in earthquake zones so that the pipes have some give. There's so much pressure and force behind this that these separated and blew open, and we had 500 gallons per minute flooding the room. One of our buildings and grounds crew fashioned up these supports as well as using straps so that we don't have the kickback that was pulling these two joints apart. And that's how we've been operating all year.
The biggest problem with this design and rule is I don't think what most people realize is how much time goes into opening the pool every year and how much that time is strictly volunteer.
It's nothing like scrubbing the bathroom with somebody to build a bond. And I've had that experience.
So a couple seasons past, the entire system was compromised with cracks throughout the PVC. And with the number of volunteers, we were able to cut the cement, break it up, haul it out ourselves, and then dig down approximately 6 to 8 feet all the way around the pool, and then bring in professional plumbers to replumb everything.
After we'd made the repairs on the lower pool and replaced basically the deck all the way around the pool and all the plumbing that supports that pool, came in and there was a portion of the upper pool, which is the youngest pool, where the wall had corroded and fallen in. I got a text from Dan with pictures saying, "What do you think we should do?" But those are the kinds of things that you got to expect to happen over, the life expectancy of a pool. And when you get to be 50 plus years old, you really expect it to happen. I've got 2 new knees, and I'm 53.
And as you can see, the condition of them is pretty poor. Even worse are the holding tanks, as the bottoms are starting to rot out. Somewhere, even though we've replaced all that plumbing, I'm thinking on the inside from the surge tank, we are getting water through the ground.
As a construction guy, you recognize things only last so long.
We can operate like this only so long and still be safe.
If we don't do it now and do the planning for the next 50 to 60 years, like the people who did it 50 or 60 years ago, this won't be here.
I just really think the opportunity for kids to be active in the summer the opportunity for kids to make new friends, the opportunity for families to do something that they can all do together and spend time together is invaluable.
It creates community.
Very much a sense of community.
It's such a centerpiece of this neighborhood.
I want this opportunity for all future families.
You just can't imagine what a lifetime that we've had because of Ridgewood.